see it? I don't think it minds us petting it. It's just...
The cat's going in the boat. You think that's where he'll stay for the week?
Where is it?
Well, don't let him see the bird.
Can I try and pick him up again? No, you're gonna freak him out. He's already freaked. He didn't like it when people were touching him.
Well, he doesn't seem to mind it now.
Can I pick him up? No, he doesn't like people touching him. Well, I mean, as in holding him up. He doesn't want that. And if he starts attacking you, well... Dad, can
I
I
don't
pick
think
him up?
he's going to attack anyone.
Can I pick him up, Dad?
Well,
I think he's gonna be fine.
see, the way when you pick him up, you just can't sort of grab him and freak him out. You have to be gentle.
Can you grab him
I was
and put him
being
in my hand?
gentle.
He's gonna pee himself.
I don't think it needs to be picked up. He seems to be a lot better.
I want to put him on my finger, at least.
Well, maybe
Go on my
he'll,
finger.
Underneath.
maybe he'll go on your finger.
Yeah,
Go
maybe
on my finger. Well, I don't know where his poop is.
it's right behind him.
I have to stand up. Oh, he's on Megan!
Relax. Just don't poop and don't peck her ear. Do you want me to get him off if you need?
Oh my god.
You got a bird on your head. Good thing he already pooped.
Oh my god, I have a bird on my head.
I think he likes you. Probably because it looks like a nest up there.
He's gonna poop.
No, he's not.
You better.
He's not gonna poop. They don't poop that much. He's got no poop left. He's got really long legs, eh?
Oh my god. I'm not crying.
Is that a wren or something?
I don't
you
know
know?
what this is.
Do
It's
you
on
want
my
to just stay
head.
there? Do you want me to help
Friendly.
you? You want to come down?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Oh my god. Did it go?
Laying